Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, you've been wondering how to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments you've been leaving and everything. And I hope I've been answering to the best of my knowledge. And today I'll be doing something different in this Power XL. I was out shopping and I seen some party wings that say party wings season. So today I'll be taking it right out the pack since it's seasoned already. So, and I'm gonna see how seasoned they are and how delicious they're gonna be, because I'm gonna be air frying these today, which is I do have a video on air fried party wings, but it's just the natural party wings. Today I'll be doing the party wings and it's seasoned. It looks like it's gonna be very delicious and everything. Like I say, it's a lot of things going on now, right now. If you want a knick-knack, you want to watch a ball game, you want to watch soccer, basketball, anything, this is the right thing to have, the party wings. This right here, you can just take a few minutes, put it in the Power XL and air fry it, sit it on the counter and just, what they say, munch away. So today I'll be setting this Power XL, I'll be plugging it in and I will be setting it on. Air fry. So air fry is right there. What I'm gonna set, and I'm gonna set my temperature for 375. 375 is set, and I'm gonna just set the minutes for 55 minutes. We're gonna go there to 55 minutes and everything. If I need to add some time, I will add time. If I don't have to use all the time, I will not use it. So I'm gonna set it on 55. 55 it go. As you see, it's on 55. I'm gonna press start. I'm gonna press start and let that heat up a while and everything. So what I'm gonna do in the meantime, I'm gonna cut these open and just put it in a bowl. And we're gonna raise that top up and we're gonna put them right in from here. Just cut this pack open just like this. And we're gonna see how delicious this come out. This season, I'm not gonna add no season to it. Take them out the pack. Just let them fall right in there, just like that. As you see. I'm gonna set this to the side. And I'm just gonna wipe my hands for a minute. And I wanna raise this top up because it don't say it's gonna add food, so the air fry is ready to go. I don't know if you know, my grill is nice and clean. I'm gonna raise it up so you can see, nice and clean, it's ready. Ready to go. So I'm gonna put it just like that. As you see, by the way, I'm using this new grill that fits in there nice and good. Nice and clean and everything. And I'm gonna just sit these in there just like this. We're gonna sit them in like that. These gonna be good. I'm gonna use both packs of these today. I'm not gonna add no season. I'm gonna see how seasoned it is when you buy it out the store. That's the whole thing of doing it. And I'm gonna press it. And I'm gonna just let that air fry away, just like that. And while this is air frying and everything, I'm gonna wash up the dishes. When you're cooking in the Power XL, while it's cooking, wash the dishes as you go. Don't leave it for the spouse, don't leave it for the roommate, don't leave it for your kids, don't leave it for your friend. They might be hungry, they might turn down food because they wonder who's gonna do the dishes. Everybody run away when it's time to do dishes, but if you do it as you do it, you don't have to worry about it. Everybody can enjoy the food. Mr. Belle will be right back. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. We're gonna take a look at it, see how it's coming out and everything. Look like it's coming out pretty good, as you see. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sit the camera a little bit closer so you can see how good it looks. If it's looking good or what do you think about it and everything. I'm gonna put the top down and put the camera closer. Okay, you're not gonna see my face and everything. I'm gonna raise this top up so you get an idea how it's looking and everything. And it's looking like it's pretty good and everything. And it's only been 15 minutes, so I'm gonna just turn them just like this so I could get the back side of them and everything while it's looking nice and good. And you see it's on this grill plate, on this new grill plate that I brought. So I'm gonna just turn them over. Everything's turning nice and good. And I did not spray that grill plate or nothing. I just wash it off and put it in. I'm gonna sit the top back down, let it finish cooking for maybe about 10 more minutes, and I'll probably take it out. So that's the way it's looking nice. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. We're gonna take another look at it and everything. As you see, they looking nice and good and everything. And now these are store-bought seasoned. Mr. Belle did not add no season to it or nothing. So we're gonna see how these come out. It's looking like it's good and everything. I think Mr. Belle just gonna take these out in 20 minutes. And I still have 35 minutes left. So I'm gonna take these out. They looking nice and good, as you see. I'm just gonna put them on this plate right here. They looking nice and good. So, and I will be testing this with you. Take them out and sit them on this plate. Just like that. Take all these out. Take them out, it's looking good. I'm just gonna sit this top down. And these are looking very delicious and everything. Mr. Belle gonna get them situated and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna sit this other pack in here. I brought 2 packs. So I'm gonna just sit this other pack in, and that way it'll take up the whole 55 minutes. So I'm gonna use this whole 55 minutes on 2 packs. If you brought 2 packs of these seasoned party wings, you can do 2 packs in 55 minutes. So I'm gonna do it just like that and sit these in there. Just like that, right on that grill plate. Sit them in there. It's looking good. Sit it down. And close it, and it's ready to cook the next batch. When I get done, Mr. Belle will be right back. I will be taking you step by step. I'll be raising that top up so you can see how they're cooking. Thank you. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Mr. Belle gonna take this right here and just flip these over just a little. Just like this and everything. They looking good and everything, but they looked nice and orange in the pack. This right here, the flavor stayed on it and everything, but it's almost look just like regular air fried wings. So Mr. Belle thinking about stepping it up a notch, making it look nice and good. So I'm thinking about putting my own little sauce on some of these. I'm thinking about it, but I said I was gonna leave it like this. Should I or should not? Mr. Belle thinking about it. Should I, should not? Okay, what I'm gonna do, we're gonna look at these together right here. They look like they nice and done too. So I'm just gonna take these out right here. Take them out like this. You know, before Mr. Belle closed this up on the other view, should I, should not? should I add my little season to it? I'm gonna see how this tastes and everything first. And what I'm gonna do, thinking about putting my own little sauce on there. I wanted to give it that nice color to it. This right here have a nice color to it and everything. But when I put it and do the thumbnail, it's gonna look like regular air fried party wings. So what I'm gonna do, put the top back on it, and I have 11 minutes left out to 55, so I only cooked it like 34 minutes. 44 minutes. So this right here is good. I'm gonna press. Should I, should not? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna set the camera up first. So it's looking good and everything. Mr. Belle gonna taste it. It's nice and good. It's coming off the bone. Everything. The season is good, but Mr. Belle still wanna do it his way. Should I? Should not? Should I? Should not? Mr. Belle just want to put something on there. I just want to grab my little hot wings, little red hot wing buffalo things, and put a little color to it. I'm going to test it out anyway. Should I? Should not? I think I should. Get that nice good flavor to it. Nice and pretty and orange. And this is the way you want it. I think Mr. Belle gonna do it. I'm gonna just take a good bite of this right here. It's getting so good, looking good. I'm gonna just take a nice bite. Should. That is good. Should I? Should not? Should I? Leave a comment in the box. I think I'm just gonna do it anyway. Just pour all over just like that. Make it look nice, good, and delicious. I did it. I did it with the red hot buffalo wings. Now, you talking about this is delicious. Let me cut this off. Cancel, unplugging. As you know, I said it took 44 minutes. Now that is delicious. This right here is cooking with Mr. Belle. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you think I should have put them hot wing sauce on it, leave a comment in the box and let me know. Or left it seasoned buffalo wings out the store. Leave a comment in the box if you like it. And that's Cooking with Mr. Belle. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mrbelle'skitchen. Thank you. Enjoy. Mr. Belle love taking you step by step.